Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Anybody not attending yesterday class, don't worry. Why? Because small concepts I'm telling in a demo class side. What I'm telling you yesterday, just 1 minute observe here. Anybody not attending this? Oracle is a database software. What I'm telling in a previous classes. Now observe here. Oracle is one of the popular database software. This 19C, that is a version number, don't worry. But what is the purpose of this database software means? To store data permanently storing a data. Once we are storing a what data, this is a structured collection of data, organized fashion only data is storing, I'm telling. If we want to operate this data, then we are using these languages, SQL, PL, SQL, dynamic SQL languages. Suppose in a previous case, here observe it here, this is a structured collection of data. In a previous class side, just here I am telling like this. This is a database is there, in a table format only data is there. In this table, some information is there. Smith is an employee joining in a company. Okay, Alan is an employee joining in a company. Hired Ward is an employee joining in a company. The employee salaries, employee names and jobs, and also their joining dates, they're storing in a project side. Suppose this is a database. Within a database, some data is there. Now, so okay, my manager asking, Murali, most recently joined employees are there in each department. Those employee details I want they're asking. Whenever they're asking that one, just I am writing a what SQL query like this. Here SQL query is there. SQL means structured query language. Some commands I'm writing, select, update, insert, join, something only I'm writing. Whenever I'm writing, okay, I am using a lead analytical function, something is there in that class. Here I'm arranging a data. This data I'm retrieving only. Based on this data, here null value is there. This is a what? Senior most, junior most employee, most recently joined employee. So now this is a most recently joined employee. This employee is a most recently joined employee. So now that's why I am writing a what query where, okay, some is null, something I'm writing. These three employees, 10th department, Miller, most recently joined employee. 20th department, Adams, most recently joined employee. 30th department, James, most recently joined employee. This is a report we are generating. But I am using a what, which language? SQL is a language. That's why observe it here. Yes, by using a what? SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL, some languages are there. By using these languages, we are operating a data in Oracle database. Up to this one yesterday we are discussing. Now observe it here, SQL, so many areas they are using only in a real-time project side. Not only Oracle software, so many database software side. SQL is an ANSI standard language. From that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle creating their own SQL server creating their own SQL. I'm telling you, yes. Suppose, for example, I'm opening a what? Observe here, SQL where we are using me, so many applications are there. Suppose today I'm opening a what? One website, for example. This is a what? Online SPI. Okay, fine. Here, observe it here, username through, I'm entering a what? My username I'm typing. And password I'm typing. But unfortunately, whenever a password I'm typing means in this website, security purpose, some captcha, it will be generated or not. This captcha I'm entering. But how this captcha is generated? Suppose we are working in a Oracle means, How it will be generated means SQL language. I will tell you that one. Don't worry. Once a captcha is generated, more security purpose, everyone knows nowadays, OTP is generated that is connect with to your mobile. Okay, na? Yes, OTP. This OTP also, how it will be generated, I will tell you. Suppose one-time password, just I'm typing from the mobile, in my mobile, that is generated here. Just I'm typing a what that so that OTP number. Yes, automatically that is connect to the server. Automatically this site is opened or not? Yes, here. My account details are automatically it will be available or not? Yes. That's why, but unfortunately you are observing or not in this website side. So now here, how it will be generated captcha, how it will be generated what? That OTP number means here you are a project side, you are using a what? DBMS underscore random package. Don't write it, just observe it here. Suppose I'm an experienced person means in a future you are also experienced person means you are typing a what some SQL commands like this. Now here this is the way. Now check it out. Here captcha is generated. Observe it here. Just we are typing a what or something only, then automatically yes, this captcha is generated or not. These are random. Now here anything, any number of characters also, combination also. This captcha is generated. These are random only. Again, how OTP is generated means I am writing like this. Don't write it. Just these are all the things you don't have an idea. Just I am intimating to you. Anywhere also it will be there. Here I am typing about some SQL command. Automatically this OTP is generated. That is connect with our mobile means some other coding here writing means then possible. Okay, just observe here. This OTP is generated or not? Yes, here. Now here this OTP is generated. Now here observe it here. Yes. One time password is generated or not? Any number of digits based on your requirement here. You see. Okay, na? Yeah, random number. Again, that number is not generated. Okay, na? Yeah, so now here, observe it here. That's why here so many applications side we are using a word that language command is what? SQL, structured query language. But so many students asking yesterday, Murali sir, you are telling a what? Oracle is a popular database software. There is a relational database software. If you want to operate at that Oracle database, we are using SQL language, you are telling. But why we are learning in our class, again, another language also, PLSQL. Extension of the SQL is called procedure language concepts, they are embedded. That's why that is called PLSQL. Why we are learning what PLSQL, I will tell you today. And also what type of jobs are available in a worldwide when we are learning what this course, I will tell you. Suppose here PLSQL means observe here, concentrate here. This is also so many applications are there. Suppose you are a Java, you are a .NET, you are a Python means in our classes also you are learning what son of your how you are interacting with the water database, stored procedure through passing value, return the values. I will tell you, don't worry. But before that one, just observe it here, project oriented, I am telling. Suppose why we are learning about some coding only PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL means reason is there. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Suppose everyone daily going to wear bank only, for example. In a table is there, bank table. And now this is a SBI bank, for example. Within this bank only, account number is a column is there. Don't write it, just observe it here. This is the way in a future you are creating a tables. and our whatever data is there, we are inserting that one. In a future, you are also writing coding like this. Don't worry, these are very easy. Suppose one account number is there. My name is Murali. My balance is like this. Another account holder balance is like this. Okay. Suppose observe it here. This is a bank table. Now table format only data is storing in a database, relational database. Suppose here in this bank table, slowly observe it here. Account number 1001. This is a data. My name is Murali. I am an account holder in a SBI bank. For example, in a bank. My balance is how much presently? 3,000 rupees are there. Presently, my balance is there in a where in a SBI bank only 3,000 rupees are there. Now today I mentally decided to withdraw some amount from the bank only. That's why I'm going to where in a ATM center, otherwise SBI ATM, for example. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, I am not checking my balance. Today, I'm interested to withdraw some amount only. How much amount I'm interested means I'm interested to withdraw 5,000 rupees. For example, okay, fine. 5,000 rupees I'm decided only. But my balance is how much? How much? Very good. 3,000 rupees are there. Observe here. But I'm not checking a what a balance only. I'm going to where, okay, so now in a ATM center, otherwise SPay ATM, I'm inserting a ATM card. Just I'm typing a what, enter PIN numbers and all these things. Again, last only, I'm typing a what amount. How much I want, how much amount I want. Very good. As 5,000 rupees. Now I am without checking a balance. Just here 5,000. I am typing only. Okay, observe here. Now I am pressing a what enter key. But unfortunately, my balance is how much? 3,000 rupees. Whenever I try to withdraw more amount than they were available balance working, no, not working. Here 5,000 rupees I try to withdraw, but available balance 3,000 is there. Then I am typing a what enter amount means 5,000. Just I am pressing a what enter key means automatically here it will display message. So now insufficient funds, some message it will be displayed or not. Anybody observing? And now here insufficient, okay, in a message, okay, insufficient funds only. But ATM machine doesn't know insufficient funds and all these things. But how ATM machine understood that that concept means, observe here, whenever anybody end user try to withdraw more amount than the available balance, these type of messages are displayed. Suppose Oracle project side we are implementing this concept means, yes, here PLSQL is required. Here insufficient funds, this is a message, how it will be generated. Always you are a Oracle programmer or a SQL server programmer, DB2 programmer, you are writing a what? Procedures, some concept only. In that one, you are writing a coding that is called PLSQL in a Oracle side. Suppose here you are writing a what coding only, create or replace PLSQL, this one. Create or replace here, procedure name, like this only you are writing some coding. Is begin like this only. Here some coding you are writing only. Then here we are retrieving a what this okay, whatever user entered okay, account number is there, based on that one we are retrieving a what this data from the where database into where this. So now here program only, okay, fine, select into class, something is there, don't worry. Now in this one, whatever we are retrieving a what the data, fetching a data from the where this table, then we are checking if condition is there, no, if. So now here, yes, here user entered amount is more than user entered amount also we are storing in a somewhere, don't worry. User entered amount is more than the where available balance. Here available balance only. Then you are writing a coding here, dbms underscore output something coding is there, some message you are writing only. That is called insufficient funds. Otherwise, else we are writing a what here, okay, so now here transaction successfully, something it will be, otherwise updated, okay, that amount. This type of coding, this is called PLSQL coding. This okay, this type of situation here, PLSQL programmers are required in a project side. Okay, na? Yeah. That's why PLSQL also we are learning in our classes. Okay, yeah. And now observe here. Suppose so many outside persons easily understandable through some website applications. Suppose Flipkart, Amazon, these type of websites, popular websites only. Through that one, so many fellows are purchasing items. Suppose today I'm interested to purchase a one item from the Flipkart. I'm opening a what in my mobile or in my system, some web browser. For example, www.flipkart.com. For example, slowly observe here, flipkart.com like this. Whenever I'm opening a what this website, then this web browser connect to the web server only. Web servers are there, maybe so many Java, .NET, Python, PHP, these programmers are well-known persons. These are web servers. It is a big concept, web servers. Okay, just idea purpose I'm telling, web server. But web servers, what is the problem? Does not store large amount of data. That's why these web servers connect to the where in a website implementation side, entire architecture, no 3D architecture. Here web server connect to the where? Database server. Observe here, this is a database server. These database servers stores a large amount of data. These database servers, web servers are not visible to the end user. End user only it will visible is a what? So user interface here. React.js, JavaScript, this type of things only. Okay. Here database is there. Observe here, database is there. For example, this is a Oracle database. In a Oracle database, observe here where the coding is required means observe here Oracle database. For example, Oracle database in this project side, they are using storing data purpose. And now check it out. Here some table is there. What is that one? Means order master is a table. Okay, these are project oriented table names only. Anything. Okay, just here some table is there. In a table format only data is storing. But unfortunately, in these tables, always, most of the time, order ID is a column is there. Suppose whenever I am booking, you are booking some orders means either food coupons, okay, Zomato, Swiggy, otherwise these type of online shopping portals here, Flipkart, Amazon like this. In your parcel only order ID is there. You are observing or not? What is that one means? Here this one only. Here order number is there. Okay, this is primary key they are declaring. Primary key means unique identification of the record in a table, and also it does not accept a duplicate or null values. Don't worry. These are primary keys, foreign keys. So many things are there in a relational database. This part you are working actually. Here order number is there, order date is there, and item name is there. Here price is there. So many columns are there, for example. Now here I'm booking a one item. For example, observe here, I'm booking a one item only in this Flipkart through. Whenever I'm booking a some item, that is web browser connect to the web server connect to the very database server. In this database server, this order number is automatically generated. Observe here, order number. Here some number 1001, anything, any number. Here order date, item name, here, okay, something only, price like this. Again, some other fellow is also in a worldwide, so many fellows are purchasing the same item also possible or not? Yes, possible. Suppose he is also opening our www.flipkart.com. This web browser, another person. Okay, so this web browser connect to the where? Web server connect to the where? This database server. Here order number is what? Different or same? Yes, very good. Different. So this person order is different or not? Yes, here. Now here order number 1002, for example, here item may be same, order date also same or different, anything. Okay, for example. Again, same item. Okay, so now observe price something only. Now here observe here again another, okay, so now customer also interested to purchase the same item. He is also opening a what? Same website, www.flipkart.com. This web browser connect to the web server connect to the database server. Here order number automatically generated like this. Again, here order date and item name is same and price also same or different, anything. Okay, based on the discounts and all these things. Okay, now observe it here. Here you are observing or not, here in this database server, here order number is a primary key. These primary key values are automatically generated. How it is automatically generated means here only, yes, here auto increment concept is there. Auto increment is a concept is there. That concept is implemented by, so now here PLSQL developers in a Oracle project side. Here PLSQL developers only, they are writing a trigger, they are writing a what, sequence, something only. So they are writing a little bit of coding is automatically generated. So now here, yes, PLSQL something is there. In that language only trigger, some concepts are there. Through that one, they are writing a what coding. How automatically generated means like this. That's why here this database data only visible to the end user. Now that's why here PLSQL developers are required only. So now here some coding we are writing only in a feature. That's why always if you want to operate a data in a Oracle database, not only SQL language, we can also learn what a PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, those are all the things we are learning in our course. Don't worry. Next, observe it here. So many fellows are having a doubt only. Murali sir, okay, I'm new to this software only, Oracle database. But unfortunately, we are learning what? Yes, this software course only, Oracle course. But what is the advantage of this Oracle course? Any jobs are available in a Oracle course only, I'm interested to learn. What type of jobs are available? They are asking. Now I am telling only. Then only you are decided. Now check it out. Check it out here. What type of jobs are there in a market nowadays? Trending only. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose, according to my experience, I am telling only now. Suppose, for example, in a future, this course you are learning. Okay, once you are starting means, then you are understandable. Observe here. Maybe now here 2023, some fellows are passed out. Are there? Maybe BTech, MCA, MSc Computers, MS or anything. Otherwise, 2022, some passed outs are there. Those persons are interested to learn what? Some courses. Okay, for example, maybe Rishin is there, that's why opportunities are less. Means they're interested without wasting a time, they're interested to learn some courses. For example, some fellows are interested to learn what? Python, Arctic now. Some fellows are interested to learn what? Java. Some fellows are interested to learn a .NET. Some fellows are interested to learn PHP. Like this, these type of front-end languages are there. Most of these languages, so why they are learning what? Students means so many opportunities are there. Not only that purpose, they are interested in web-based applications. So now these type of languages, so many users are there most of the time. So now here we are using what? These languages in a project side, software project side, web-based applications they are implementing. But whenever web-based applications are they're interested to implement, they're learning courses, okay, fine, here front-end languages. But unfortunately, these persons must learn what? Yes, here basic knowledge of the database. Basics, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, basic knowledge is required. So now that's why these type of persons, so suppose how they are interacting with the stored procedure, how they are passing the values into where in a backend Oracle database or SQL Server database into in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter procedures. How the return the values are, okay, so from the database into catching a what in a Java, in a Python, in a okay .NET, like that only. They must familiar, okay, fine. That's why these persons are good knowledge in a where basic SQL is required. Here basic, not advanced, only basic SQL knowledge is required. And also plus fundamental of the PLSQL, not advanced, fundamental of the PLSQL, they must familiar, stored procedure, recursive, something is there. Those things they are learning. That's why here these persons are interested to learn what Oracle course most of the time. Why? Because suppose you are attending interview now. Yesterday I'm telling no. So now if your interviewer asking, write a query to display ante salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display fifth day salary employee, second day salary employee. Why they are asking that queries? Once you are writing a what that queries, minimum knowledge is there in a database, they are understandable. And that is very helpful in a where in a project oriented, this type of web-based application programmer side. Okay, and now again, who are the persons are interested to learn what this course Oracle or SQL Server, these type of courses means. Another thing, suppose some fellows are passed out in a way 2019 or 2020 or 2021. 2019, still they are not getting a job. For example, maybe reasons anything, okay, fine. But they are not interested in a coding, okay, fine. More coding they doesn't want. They are not interested to get the job in a where Python, Java, .NET, these type of coding, they are not interested. Then I am suggesting a what here in a worldwide PLSQL developers is a jobs are there. Observe here. Actually, in a Google, you are typing a what PLSQL developer jobs. So many jobs are available. You have to check it out today also. So now in this case, these persons are not required to learn a what in a Java, in a Python, in a OK.NET, not required. Pure PLSQL knowledge is there enough only. That's why these persons also interested to learn a what Oracle course. Because in a Oracle, here SQL language and strong PLSQL is there or not? Yes. But here, what the problem is, PLSQL developer jobs are there, but I'm agree, but here 2 plus 3 plus years gap is required. So now here, yes, that's why I'm suggesting only. They are not interested in a front-end languages. They are interested in a where PLSQL developer jobs they want to apply means. Then, okay, so now here they are learning about basic knowledge of the SQL language. Basic enough. Strong knowledge in a PLSQL, easily getting a job. Just a little bit of Unix commands only. Okay, that is YouTube through your learning Unix commands also not a problem. Now again, another type of jobs. Suppose so many fellows are not interested in a where PLSQL also. Some fellows are easy way they want to get a job compared to those two scenarios. How means some other type of jobs are available in a worldwide. Anybody having idea? Data warehousing applications. Yes, very good. In that data warehousing technology side, here we are retrieving a data from resource into where the warehouse only by using a what ETL tools. ETL programmers are there. ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading. Very easy jobs, this one. ETL programmers. These persons also interested to learn what basic SQL enough. So now here is PLSQL also little bit of knowledge in a where PLSQL and little bit of knowledge, more knowledge is not required. Store procedure knowledge is enough. Those persons are learning what this basic of the where database, Oracle database, and also they are learning what courses in a where ETL tools are there in a outside only. Okay, anybody interested in a worldwide you are learning. So now this is plus ETL tools. What are the ETL tools are there? Anybody have an idea? Popular ETL tools are there. One is anybody have an idea? Informatica. Olden days onwards, nowadays also so many jobs are there. Informatica is a what? ETL tool. That is a GUI tool, graphical user interface. Some concepts they are telling only. That is you are practicing is enough. Again, nowadays latest tool is there. Talent is a tool only. Talent tool. In olden days, another tool is there that is not popular also. So now here some fellows are rare cases they are working only in a very data stage is a tool is there. Those programmers also interested to learn a what you are settled in a where ETL developers they are interested to learn a what basic Oracle that is SQL PL SQL basic thing advanced not required. Here they are learning in a GUI tools like this. Here these are graphical user interface tools are there. Okay, so now these tools are very easy. Their learning means easily getting a job, but here also 2 years gap is required. Okay, yeah, any experience or anything. Now again compared to this job, another job is very easy. Okay, so now here easiest job in a worldwide, that is a what a report programmer. Anybody have an idea? In a data warehousing technology side, once we are transferring a data from resource into a staging area or warehouse, then we are generating a reports is important for higher authority person purpose. This easiest job only, reporting programmer. These persons also, so now here good knowledge in a data warehousing concepts, okay, fine, same like ETL programmer, but unfortunately here basic SQL is enough. Basic SQL language plus reporting tools they are learning only. So now reporting tools are there. So many popular tools are there. They are learning what those tools means enough. What are the reporting tools are available means? Anybody have an idea? Very good. TabView. TabView is a tool is there now? Yeah. So now TabView tool or QuickView tool here, but some fellows are telling a Power BI. Power BI I am not telling. Why? Because Power BI is, I am agree, powerful, popular reporting tool. Power BI. Very good. Correct. Some fellows are telling mostly sir Power BI. But Power BI is a what? So now here. Power BI is a reporting tool, I'm agree, but unfortunately, Power BI means better to learn SQL Server. Yesterday, I am demo classes side. I'm telling you, now Oracle and SQL Server and MySQL is that these are relational databases. Oracle from Oracle Corporation, yes, SQL Server from Microsoft. I'm telling you, because Power BI is a what? Microsoft product. That's why who are interested to learn a very easiest tool, report programmer, they are interested to settle means Power BI best option. Okay, I'm agree, easiest tool compared to this TabView, QuickView, BOS, these type of tools also. Power BI is a tool, but Power BI who are interested to applying what jobs means better to avoid a Oracle compared to Oracle. They are learning a what, which one? SQL Server. Same like Oracle, SQL Server is a Microsoft product is there. That is better to learn. Okay, yeah. These persons are preferring a what? SQL Server is a database. That's why these type of reporting program are TabView. 2 years gap is there, 1 year gap is there after marriage. Those so many fellows are 1 year gap or 2 year gap is there. Then they are interested to apply software jobs only in a work from home only they are working. Those persons are interested these type of tools they are learning. Here TabView tool, here QuickView tool, here BOS. So now these type of tools also they are learning means easily getting a job. That's why different type of jobs are there nowadays. Data analyst jobs are related to this one. Okay, na? Yes, here. And now suppose any tools also GA tools you are learning. These persons also basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why they are interested to learn. Again, another type of jobs are there. What type of jobs means? Again, observe it here. So many fellows are not interested in a coding, Java, Python. These persons are, I am suggesting a what? Testing tools are there in a worldwide. Anybody have an idea? Testing tools. Testing tools are there. Those persons are interested to learn what testing tools. So many fellows are not interested coding means this is the best option. Easily getting a job with these testing tools. Non-technical persons are interested to learn this one. And now here observed here these in testing tools. So now here manual testing there. Okay, so now telling only in a lecturers. After that one automation testing also they are telling. In that automation always two tools are popular only. One is selenium testing, another one is olden days QTP testing only. So now here QTP, they're learning about anything, your own wish. These persons also interested to learn what Oracle. Why? Because here these persons also required to learn what basic SQL required. That's why these type of testing tools who are applying in a company side jobs means those persons are minimum basic, not advanced, basic SQL language enough. They are learning only. Most of the programmers are okay, Oracle SQL they are learning. Some fellows are testing tools programmers learning, interested to learn SQL Server SQL, their own wish. Again, not only this one, another type of jobs are there. Anybody having idea? SAP is a ERP is there or not? In that SAP ERP, SAP HANA is there. Those persons also views knowledge is required SQL use only. These persons also basic SQL they are learning only. Again, another type of jobs are available. Suppose, okay, you are not a BTech, you are not a CMCA person, MSc computers person. You are a pharmacy students, for example. Pharmacy, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, they are learning. Those persons also now interested to learn Oracle. Why? Because here SCAS SAS is a course is there. SAS programmer actually. Those persons are Oracle clinical, they are applying only in a jobs. Those persons purpose here, Oracle knowledge is required. Not only SQL, PL SQL knowledge also required. That's why these persons also interested to learn what Oracle. Again, another type of jobs. What type of jobs means here? Oracle Cloud is a ERP is there. This ERP they want to work in a project side means always they're interested to learn what Oracle Cloud only. Again, another ERP is there, popular ERP in a olden days, that is called Oracle Apps. So now Oracle Apps, that is a what? 11i programmer. Oracle Apps 11i only. This is a what? ERP programmer only. These persons also interested to learn Oracle. That is a strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Not a basic, strong PLSQL knowledge is required only. Basic SQL is enough, but strong PLSQL knowledge is because these persons are working in a more concepts in a where PLSQL. That's why those persons also interested to learn a what? So now here Oracle PLSQL. Yes, again, another type of jobs are there. What is that one means nowadays? Big data. Anybody having idea? Hadoop? Very good. These big data programmers also must familiar basic SQL. That's why they are interested to learn what? Yes, Oracle only. Again, another type of programmers are there. What is that one means? Business analyst. That is a data analyst only. So now here those persons also interested to learn what Oracle, but not only these type of persons. Anywhere also nowadays, recently this is popular last 4 or 5 years onwards. Full stack developers, full stack Java, full stack .NET, full stack Python, full stack SQL, like this type of so many jobs are there, full stack developers. These persons are compulsory, full stack means compulsory database knowledge is required or not. That's why they are interested to learn either Oracle or SQL server like that only. Full stack developers, any type of full stack also, because those persons are good at front end, back end, and also some tools, React, JS, JavaScript. These all the knowledges are required or not? Yes, here. Those type of persons also interested to learn what? Oracle. Okay, now that's why these type of so many types of jobs are there. Which area you are interested? Now here, yes, those type of things we are learning only. One fellow is asking, Mahesh asking only, Murali sir, so now what is the duration of this course and class timings in a real-time project overview provided? Okay, they're asking only. Yes, here this course duration is more than 3.5 months because so much of syllabus is there. Okay, once you are starting means you are understandable. Okay, yeah. Okay, not only my class, anywhere also so much of syllabus is there because huge subject this one. But half of the thing properly you are learning means you are also your own way self-learning also not a problem. Why? Because so many people, I'm teaching in a way 2010 year onwards, so experienced person, more clearly all the things I will tell you. Otherwise my notes is there in a net or anything, more or less or PDF, you have to type it in a old and notes. Some fellows or students are putting, you have to observe that one only. So much of syllabus is there. You are reading about that one also, you are understandable. That much of easy way I will tell you. Okay, so many fellows are purchasing about those PDFs and they are learning only their own way because so many fellows are working professionals are there. Maybe off of the basic knowledge they have an idea, I think. Okay, in a way, that's why time is not there means you have to learn your own way also through this notes only. Okay, yeah, not a problem. Anyway, you are getting a job, you are getting good knowledge, and confidence level is important. Once you are learning about important concepts from any lecturers, yes, confidence level is different. Then you are only practicing something some days only, then automatically you are a good professional actually. Okay, everywhere in the worldwide who are okay good at what subject means they're handling the projects, not difficult really. So now project oriented easy compared to where outside learning. Outside learning means always what the problem is, all the things are new concepts. Maybe non-technical persons are there, maybe some little bit of knowledge is there also. Those persons where they are using what is that one they have doesn't have an idea. So now that's why always a proper subject is there in a type of situation also you're handling the water projects very easily. Okay na? Only increasing a what confidence. That's why so many fellows are little bit of knowledge, they have an idea outside, then they're getting about breakthrough. Then in a project side they are learning only which concepts are there through the Google, they are reading and articles, they are referring on notes and all this thing. In that stage only they are learning a more thing. Okay, yeah, application level. But fast okay, so now for understandable purpose so many fellows are there, meaning okay, that is a time is there, then they're learning about these type of courses. Okay na? Yeah, so many type of different type of jobs are there. Your one wish. Actually, in this database also these type of different jobs. These are ETL programmer, report programmer. These type of jobs are pure database programmers actually. But unfortunately, some fellows are Murali sir, I am learning a Oracle course. So now now here I'm interested to learn about Oracle DBA. No, not required. Why? Because this is a development side. These are development jobs are there. Suppose you are applying a PLSQL developer jobs, pure database. Oracle developers, SQL developer jobs means yes, this knowledge is enough. Database administration means the different course. Suppose without learning this one also you are learning about that one. That is basic SQL is enough. That is administration course. That is different. Okay, na? Yeah. DBA you are interested means just basic SQL knowledge is enough. Who are telling about in institutes Oracle DBA, in that one you have to join only. Yes, here maybe 1 year experience or gap is there, easily getting a job. Your own. This is a pure development side. This knowledge is helpful not only so no database side, always a front end language side also very helpful. That is advantage. And now one fellow is asking, Murali sir, advanced level of PLSQL will be covered here? Yes, really. Basically, I'm a PLSQL developer. That's why more things I'm telling about in a PLSQL. Yesterday, you're not attending maybe. So now already I'm telling in a PLSQL side. So now here, yes, here. 1 minute, observe here. Yes, PLSQL syllabus is there. Here, observe here. Advanced PLSQL is there. Riff cursors, local subprograms, bulk bind, performance tuning side, something collections. These are important. These are advanced PLSQL. Here UTL file packages, external tables, SQL loader. These are all the things. I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, na? Basic you want means basic up to basic you are attending, and then you are a front end developer means enough. Oracle Fusion you are not dealing. Okay, na? That is so many things are there again. That is different course. Different courses are there. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, up to this one is enough. Thank you so much for attending this small demo. Okay, another 1 or 2 demos I am telling only, then we are starting our course. Okay, yeah, that is better because you are a first time newcomer without any knowledge. Just observe it. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this small demo. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow continue. 1 or 2 days, observe it. Okay, yeah. Then you are decided. You have to ask your friends and all these things. This course is helpful or not. You have to check it out. Based on your criteria, you have to learn. Okay, that is better. Thank you. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Another class is there now. 11 o'clock regular expressions are going on. That's why.